Have you ever heard a sound that sent shivers down your spine? A sound so eerie and inexplicable that you couldn't help but wonder if there was something supernatural behind it? Today, we are going to explore such a sound, one that has been heard in the most unlikely of places, underneath the dried-up Euphrates River. Some say that the source of the sound is related to fallen angels. But is it really so? Let's dive deeper into this enigmatic mystery. In a land far away, there was a mighty river called the Euphrates. For centuries, its waters had sustained life and brought prosperity to the people who lived along its banks. But as time passed, the river began to dry up, and its once mighty flow reduced to a mere trickle in some parts. As the river dried up, strange reports emerged of eerie sounds emanating from underneath the dried-up riverbed. The sounds resembled trumpets or horns, and their source remained a mystery. Some claimed that the sounds were a warning from the heavens that the end times were near. Others suggested that the sounds were the manifestation of the trapped souls of fallen angels who were struggling to escape their eternal confinement. People whispered in hushed tones about the mysterious sounds, and many feared that they were a sign of impending doom. The eerie sounds continued, growing louder and more persistent with each passing day. Some claimed that the sounds were getting closer to the surface, and that something was about to be unleashed upon the world. Despite the growing sense of unease, there were those who refused to believe that the sounds were anything more than a natural phenomenon. They pointed to scientific explanations, suggesting that the sounds may be the result of tectonic movements or gas release. But the mystery remained unsolved, and the source of the sounds under the dried-up Euphrates River continued to baffle and intrigue people. Some searched for answers in ancient texts, while others sought out modern-day experts to help them unravel the mystery. As the days turned into weeks, and the weeks turned into months, the sounds under the dried-up Euphrates River continued. No one knew for sure what they meant or where they came from, but one thing was certain: the mystery of the strange sounds would continue to captivate and haunt people for years to come. In the Christian tradition, fallen angels are believed to be angels who rebelled against God and were cast out of heaven. These angels are often associated with Satan, and they are considered to be evil and corrupt. Their influence is said to be responsible for many of the world's ills, including war, disease, and suffering. According to religious texts, the fallen angels were punished for their rebellion and were cast out of heaven, condemned to an eternal existence in darkness and suffering. Some believe that these angels are still trying to break free from their imprisonment, and that the sound coming from under the dried-up Euphrates River is a sign of their struggle. Theories abound about the source of the mysterious sounds, and many believe that they are linked to the fallen angels. Some say that the sounds are the voices of the angels themselves, crying out for release from their torment. Others suggest that the sounds are the result of a battle between the angels and the forces of darkness, as they fight for control over the world. However, scientists and researchers have a more rational explanation for the strange noises. They suggest that the sound may be the result of natural phenomena such as tectonic movements or gas release. The Euphrates River is located in an earthquake-prone zone, and there is a possibility that the sound is caused by the shifting of tectonic plates. Gas release is also a possibility, as there is a high concentration of hydrocarbons in the area. Despite the scientific explanations, the mystery of the strange sounds under the dried-up Euphrates River remains unsolved. The sound continues to be heard, and people continue to speculate about its source. Some claim that the sound is getting louder, while others suggest that it is fading away. The truth behind the mystery remains unknown, and only time will tell if the source of the sound is indeed related to fallen angels, or if it is simply a natural phenomenon. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the mysterious sounds under the dried-up Euphrates River. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please like and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring you more intriguing stories and unexplained mysteries from around the world. Until next time,